check out this Autobarn buying guide video. Hi, Emmy here. Are you a bit lost on the features of modern dash cams? Let's go over some of the basics. The higher the resolution, the clearer the detail. Choose from high definition, full high definition, and up to ultra high definition. Loop recording overwrites the oldest footage as the memory card becomes full. A G-Shock sensor saves a few minutes of footage before and after detecting an incident. In the event of an incident, the GPS function will embed footage with the exact location, direction, and speed of the vehicle. Park mode records if it detects an impact while your vehicle is parked. Keep in mind, in regards to park mode, this feature only works when a dash cam has been hardwired into the vehicle or with a dedicated power pack from the manufacturer. Dual channel records both the front and the rear of the vehicle whilst driving and in park mode. Discover these features and more across our huge range of dash cams here at Autobarn. Thanks for watching. For more videos, make sure you check out our Facebook page, Instagram, and YouTube channel.